New folder, custom.
The recording not started.
Okay.
Recording in progress.
View 73. Where we have tested. PLP not there. Shared folder, custom. Shared folder, custom. Reports not there. Tables, no. Okay, let's take this one. Okay. So we will move this folder to shared folder. Copy this one. Copy. Copy this one. So I want to specific users to be accessed for that report. For that, in the custom you can paste. Okay. So you take one of the report, invoice data model, invoice data. Okay. Open. So you take this report. Invoices data report. For example, these two reports you can make. This is the data model and this is the report, right? So let's say I wanted to give the security for only logged in user. For example, so dev 73 user only can access this report. So for that, what we will do? Go to the more. Go to the more permission. So what you need to do? If you remove this all the roles, right? BA administrator role, BA other role, BA consumer role. If this that user have all these three roles, so any of the user can access. This report. Okay. So what you will do? You need to remove this. So then after that, go to the catalog. So if you want to give the specific users to be accessed, then what you will do? Permission. Data model I have removed. It's not going. I am adding only dev73 user here. Dev.73 user. So dev.73 user, full control I am giving. So for example, some of the users I want to only read the report. Some of the users I want to only publish the report. Publish output, schedule report, modify report. Full control means everything will be possible. Okay. So custom means when I put the custom, click on OK. See, when I put the custom here, click on update. So for example, the custom, I want to have only 3 options available: write, delete, change permission, set ownership, like that. So that kind of we can make. Separately also you can give, or you can make separate 2 or 3 per custom that we can assign custom to other reports also. So that is the purpose of custom. Understand or not? Okay. So currently what I'm giving is this report permission. Not saved.
We have assigned for the data model services report.
Okay. Permission.
You have not clicked on OK, sir. You have clicked on cancel.
Okay. Yeah, that is what I'm doing. We'll make the so users. Will control and giving click on. So by mistake I have pressed the cancel. That is the reason. So that all the information there. Now if you want to reopen this permission, only dev73 user only can access this invoice data DM. Okay. Same way I can do for the report also. Permission.
See one question.
Yeah.
Yeah, here it is. If it is one report, it is okay. But if we have more than one report, so do we need to do manually this all the steps for 100 reports, or there is other way to achieve this?
I don't think so that is possible. So previously in administration section, there are the groups are there. Now they remove the group option. There is an option called catalog groups are there. Previous version.
Okay.
In the latest releases, they have removed that. So manually only we need to do. Otherwise, you can do one more way. You keep all 100 reports in one folder. That folder you can give the permission.
Okay. Got it.
So overlay. Okay.
That custom folder that is TJBAP reports is there, na?
For that folder you can give the permission. Folder also you can give the permission.
Okay.
So now, okay, understand it?
Yeah, yes, Vamsi.
So now in the folder level, Let me show you. Folder level, right click. Not open. Okay. TJ permission. Okay, now.
Yeah, got it.
So that is one thing. Now, if you have another user, okay, anyone have other user at Dev 73, we will check that other user can see that report, whatever I have given the permission, right? So invoice data model, invoice data report. These two reports are there, right? So these two data model and report will be accessible for other user or not, that we will check. So if you have other user, can you share in the chat window in the Dev 73 instance? Otherwise, what I will do, I will create one user. Reports analytics. Browse camera. Security console. Create the user. Just start. Or that is security manager. Application implementation. Okay. So now what we will do? Sign out from this user. Test.user. 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 Now test.user, you will not see test.user, you will not see that that invoice data model and invoice data report. So for that what I will do here, tools. Browse camera. Go to share folder. System. TJP. So that invoice data model that is not coming, right? Did you observe or not? Invoice data model that two reports are not coming, right? Well,
Yes, sir.
okay. So that is the security we have applied for that two reports. That means So in the real time also, end users, whichever the users will access for that reports, for those reports, we will give the permission to those users only. So other users cannot be accessible for that report. Understand or not? Okay. For example, you have registered one ESS job. Yesterday, you have registered one ESS job, right? What is the ESS job name? Anyone remember? Hmm? So BIP catalog level, I have shown the security. Hmm? Let's say setup and maintenance. So what was the ESS job yesterday we have created, guys?
Dummy ESS job.
Dummy ESS
Okay.
manager.
Let me. Dummy something. Okay. So take this one. So now run this ESS job. Now run this ESS job test.user. Hmm? Schedule process. Run this one. It is coming, right? Dummy ESS job. It is coming. Click on OK. It will run. Okay. It will run, right? So let's say, so this report is, yes, this report is invoice report. Hmm? Example. In the company, there is a name called something Jeff earlier, something. So either invoice user, so he can access only the report. Okay, so let's create this user and let's try to run this report, ESA job. So because this user can access this report, so first we will create this user, then I will tell you. Security console. Users. Some name, any name, example I'm taking. Huh? Example. IT security manager. Application implementation consultant. Sorry, I don't want this two role because end user will not have these two roles, right? Correct or not? So, so end users will not have these two roles, right? Correct or not?
Yes.
So I will add employee role.
Sir.
So I'll add employee role.
Ah,
Project volumes.
ఏంటి ఆరాధ్య
So he is the end user. So now he would like to access this report, this ESS job. This ESS job contain invoice report. So let's try to run this one. Tools, schedule process. It is not coming, right? Did you observe? So this user, Jeff Alian.user, is the invoice user. So you will not able to run the report. Did you observe or not?
Yes.
So now, but test.user is able to run, right? So by any idea?
We have given the roles.
Roles we have
Application,
given.
implementation,
Application implementation consultant.
Yeah, correct. So we have given the roles IT security manager,
IT
application
security
implementation consultant.
manager.
So that is the reason they are able to access. But in the real time, yeah, correct. You are understanding correct. So in the real time, this user will not be able to access. These users will not have a IT security manager and application implementation consultant roles, right? But still, this report can be accessible for. This report can be accessed, right? Correct or not? No. So for that, so that means that the bottom line of this requirement is, so end users can be accessible for specific report, but that users will not have a IT security manager and application implementation consultant. So that means even though there is no IT security manager, application implementation consultant, so the report ESS job should be run for that user. So what we need to do for that? For that, first step is there is a one standard ESS job is there. This is standard ESS job must be done. First step. I'm getting one important call. Just 1 minute. Sorry guys. So this is the standard ESS job must be run first step. So what you need to do, if you run this one, so what will happen, I will tell you. If you run this program, whatever the newly created ESS jobs names become privileges in roles. You know, right? Privilege concept in the roles. You know, right? Privilege concept in the roles.
Yes, sir.
So, so what is mean by privilege? What is mean by privilege? So privilege is the task, right? So privilege is the task. You remember or not?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So what this ESS job become privilege that we can see in the role section. Okay. So once this name become privilege, then I will tell you what we need to do. So then after that it will be easy for us. So what we need to do as a developer, first run this program. Let me run. So once we run this program, it will take 10 minutes time. So it will take 10 minutes to run this one. Oh, it's not coming. Okay. So this user we cannot run, right? So run dev 73 use. So once that ESS job become privileged, I will tell you what we need to do next step. Next step is very easy. And also I will show you what I mean by privilege. I will show you what I mean by privilege. So starting of the classes, I told you what I mean by privilege. Privilege is the task. So what we will do, rules, security console. So if this is here, if you see privileges is there, na? Role duty role. Now privileges. So this is called privilege. So now what we will do, run search this name. Search this name, it will be available or not, we'll check. It is not coming, right? No data display. So let me take this screenshot. So no data display coming, right? So what will happen is when we run this program, the main program, what I told you, right? So import user this program. This name become privilege. Then what you will do? You create one custom job role. You know, right, how to create the custom job role and map this privilege. Map this privilege in functional security policies and add this custom job role to whom? This user. Okay. So see, now you watch this screenshot, guys. Now it is not showing no data display, right? Okay. Run this program so that you will get the clarity. Run this program. So how to run this program? So schedule process. Schedule. Run this program. Okay. Click on OK. Submit. So take this name, take this process ID. Take this process ID. Click on OK. So import user roles, application security data. This is the process ID. So this is the process ID. Refresh. So it will take 10 minutes time. Sometime it will take 5 minutes. So once this status comes success, whatever the ESS job name will be appear as a privilege here in this section. Then what you will do, you go to create role option here, create role option. this name we need to add in the functional security policies. Maybe you forgot the name functional security policies, but so there is a name called functional security policies. There we will add this name. Understand or not? Hmm? Okay. So this name will become the this name, whatever the name I am showing you. So this name will become the privilege, and this name we need to add the for the custom job role in the functional security policies. Then this custom job role, whatever we are going to create, that needs to be added. That needs to be added to the this user, Jeff Hallian user. Then you log into Jeff Hallian user and Jeff Hallian user and run the this CSV job. He will able to run. So that steps we need to do. So all we need to do is we need to wait till this this ESS job status become success. Okay. So I'm keeping the mute. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes. It will take some time to make it like it will become success. It will take some time for that. Hmm?
Hmm.